that's what I mean. So we generally got to understand what those underlying policies are, can and cannot do in terms of being able to figure out where the most juice for the squeeze is. And that's going to be on generally the more recent records, and how we can maybe split those off as a smaller experiment and say, okay, look, guys, focus on the hot records, the ones for living people are filing taxes. If we could not do that on tape, we'd be able to file taxes a lot faster and maybe even catch fraud faster, because AI could then access that information more effectively. And
I mean, maybe it's even a hot cutover where you say, okay, this point forward, we're moving to this new data. Well, and you think about it, like everything that comes in from your tax filing people, it's digital anyway, right? So like they have to do something to take your TurboTax file and convert to their old data structure so they can put it on tape. So you would think to say, all right, let's just start today working in a new architecture. And from point forward, everything goes to the new architecture. Everything goes to the cloud or wherever we want to put it. And then in parallel, you can just have like this whole remediation effort where you're converting and restoring historical records.
from an enterprise architecture perspective, that approach, we generally call that a strangler pattern, where we say, hey, let's take some old technology. Usually we talk about mainframes. In this case, you need mainframes processing tape. And we say, how do we modernize this one bit at a time and eventually strangle the old system to death? Right. And of course, that's a priority-based conversation that says tackle parts X, Y, and Z up front so we can get higher value front faster, especially value that is visible to those policymakers who don't understand that this is a priority.